Hi guys, my name is Satish Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about how to connect the Excel into a Power BI desktop. After that we are going to some changes in a data by using Power Creator. This section is called as transformation section. In this place we are going to convert certain rows into one row into a column, and we are going to delete null values which are present in a data, and we are going to convert data types also. Now we will connect data from our local system. For that, click on get data. With this, from here you can connect your Excel format. Just click on Excel, then after you can click on connect. It will redirected to your path direction. So for this I am going to choose store sales data. So it is connecting now. So I am selecting order sheet which is present in store sales data. So after clicking that, you are going to preview of this table. Then after, click on transform data. If you click on transform data, it is redirected to Power BI query editor, where we can transform all those options which are required to change, which are required to manipulate the data. So you have more options in this Power BI Power Query Editor. So after, this is a data review data. So in this, if you see here, there are a top three rows are null values which are not required. If you want to remove all those rows, just choose remove option, which is available in a menu bar. In that, select remove top rows. Then after, it will ask us how many rows you want to edit. So click here, I want to remove all those three top rows. So that, give a 3 number in the dialog box. After that, just click on OK. um, the top three rows are eliminated. Now we want to convert this top first row into a columns name. So for that, we are going to choose one more option is available in the same menu bar. Just go and use first row as a header. Just click on that. It is going to convert all the first row into as a column name. Okay. After that, we are going to delete null values. Null values is nothing but blank values. For that, we are going to choose remove rows. In that, you have a one option, remove blank rows. Remove blanks, nothing but null values. Just click on that value. It will eliminate the, it is going to delete all the null values which are present in a data. And after performing all those operations, whatever the operation you have performed, all those operations are recorded here. If you want to go back your previous operation, and if you want to see null values, just click on here. It will be redirected to take last step. So whatever the operation you have performed, everything will be recorded here. If you want to go back, just click on that. It will changes to a previous model. So in this case, I don't want to see the null values. For that, I am going to remove all the blank rows. That's it, guys. It's very simple. Just few clicks, our data will be going to transform as per our like. Thank you for watching this. We will be seeing in the next class. Thank you. Thank you.